Hello guys. Today the video is about how to remove the back seat from Suzuki Swift. Or this applies to most of the Suzuki vehicles as well as for other manufacturers vehicles as well, for removing the back row. So the steps are very easy. Just you have to just try to pull the back seat up by just sliding in your fingers and just trying to understand where the clips are, and just gently we have to pull it. So if you look beneath, we can see the place where it is being holded, and similarly there will be one more clip on the other side as well. So the steps are similar. We have to just slip in our hands beneath, and just gently pull the seats up, and it should release it very easily. Just be prepared. We can find some trussers beneath if your seats are not been removed. We can find some changes or some mugs, dirts. Yeah, just be prepared for that. Yes, that's pretty much it. And as you can see here, you can find some dirts. This cover is it was there from we bought this vehicle, so that is one of the last bits I could find inside my car. Yeah, and if you look this plastic clip, so this belongs to the other side door panel basically. So you can see here that fits there perfectly. The funniest part is I have made a lot of quarrels with my service agent when I found that the part was missing. Yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.